everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how we repurpose content from when Joe did the Facebook Live all the way to editing the video, getting its transcription and turning it into a blog post. So first and foremost, I come onto Dropbox where Joe shares the video with me and I download it. It then will obviously appear in my downloads folder here. And then I listen to the video and make a summary of the main points, which I then turn into slides and edit the video with those. So I usually just focus on the main summary points. I don't include a whole bunch of points. I just focus on kind of like the main points, and then I'll leave those up while Joe's elaborating on it. So this is Adobe Premiere, which I use to edit the videos, but obviously you don't need to do it so advanced. You can just use iMovie, or you don't even need to edit your video and add slides onto it. So I'm just quickly going to add the slides here in Adobe Premiere and design the slides in Photoshop. Okay, so once I've finished editing the video and adding a few slides onto it, I then come to Joe's YouTube channel. I click upload here in the top right corner. I set it to public, which means that the subscribers will be able to see it straight away. Alternatively, I could do unlisted, which means that only people with the link can see it, private or scheduled. So I'll just come here and upload the video. While it's uploading, I can set the heading as well as the description. It's also not a bad idea to include a link in the description. So I'm just going to do practiceofthepractice.com/invite, which is what Joe refers to in the video, and then include some tags in line with what the video is about. So money, mindset, private practice, entrepreneurship. Okay, and then you can add a cover photo. So I'm just going to do that. And then obviously wait for the video to finish uploading. So once it's done uploading, I then just click publish, and my video will now be visible on the channel. Now, in terms of getting the transcription of the video to turn into a blog post, I just need to wait 24 hours for YouTube to register the transcription, and then I'll show you how to transcribe from YouTube. So once you've waited around 24 hours, you can come back to your YouTube and click on the icon in the top right corner and then create a studio, and you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Then click edit on the video that you want to get the transcription for. And if you go to subtitles, you'll see that YouTube would have added English subtitles to your video. So now what you want to do in Chrome is click on the three dots in the top right corner here, go to more tools and developer tools. A screen will pop up that looks like this. Then play your video for a little bit.
How's it going, everybody?
Click pause, put on the subtitles. play again.
I am so glad you're here. I want to talk about 5.
Click pause, and then come over to here and start typing in timed text, and you'll see it'll come up over here. Right click and say open in new tab. This is then your transcription from YouTube, but as you can see, it's got a whole bunch of code in, which we don't want. So then what you're going to do is open a program called striphtml.com. And you're going to say select all, copy, and paste it in here. So as you can see, this has a maximum of 20,000 characters, and sometimes your transcript will exceed this. So what I always do is paste the transcript into my notepad as well, just so that I have the whole transcript. You can see it ends here. So this only goes up to tool. But anyway, so you say strip HTML, and you'll see the text will appear below. So then copy your text, and I then place it in a separate notepad, and then I find the last word that the striphtml.com transcribed. I find it in this document. So I just go Command F, tool, search, and you'll see it'll come up here. So then I copy the remaining transcript that still needs to have the code removed, and I place it in here. And as you can see again, it hasn't come to the end of the transcript, but now we'll strip that. Copy that text, add it to my text notepad. Then the last word is business, so then I'll come here, Command F, business. So sometimes your transcript will include the word more than once, so always just kind of see the context of the sentence. So here it says, if you do good work, if you create a big business, whereas here it says money, so with your, so this isn't the right business. And in Notepad, it'll show you how many times the word appears, and you can see here it appears 4 times. So then I'm just going to push next. That's also not the right one. Okay, so this is the right one. So you can see big appears before it. So then you want to copy the remainder of the transcript, paste it in here, and finally it's come to the end. So strip HTML and copy the text. And there you have the raw version of your transcript. Obviously it's going to require some editing as you don't read how you speak. So now I'll just spend some time editing it, and then I'll show you how to add it into WordPress. Okay, so I have now finished editing my transcript so that it is readable. So as you can see, this is the WordPress backend of Practice of the Practice. So I've done the heading, and then I've formatted it with subheadings and into paragraphs. Put a quote here. And then I've included Joe's bio at the end, as well as a feature image and tags and the rest of it. So what you'd also want to do is embed the original video into your blog post. This also helps with SEO. So what you can do is go to your YouTube channel, click on the home page, then come to the icon in the top right and click on My Channel. Come down to the video, click on it, just pause it, and then say share and say embed. And then you'll then be presented with this code which you can copy. Come over to your post, click on the text option, and then include your video where you'd like it. So I'm going to put it right at the top here, so I'm just going to include that code there. Then when you click back to the visual, you'll see your video embedded into your post. So I'm then going to publish my post and click View Post. And there it is. Just takes a while for the video to load, but there we go. So that's how you can repurpose a Facebook Live into a blog post. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe to the channel for more walkthroughs.